See if this looks better. Yeah, that's the color I like. So here it is, the last video from the garage. Been here, let me see, in this spot, I guess 2 years. We've been at this apartment for 4 years. Now we're about to move over to the west. I don't know if it's gonna be Carrollton and Carpel, but I've got to take all this down, all my bikes down, all the good stuff, all the memorabilia, work stand and all that. Got to pull all this apart in probably about 2 weeks, and then move to a new place, a house, hopefully 2-car garage, and then I'll set up studio again. Hopefully I can replicate what I've got back behind me, but be last video for a little while. Hopefully I can get something done in March. We're just gonna be moving and going, so maybe it for a while. Changes in family, or I guess plans for the year. Not gonna do the Tour Divide ride this year. Before the 50th, I'll do it next year. Hopefully before I'm 51. With all this going on, I was like, all right, we just can't budget taking that time and getting the bike and the supplies I need and stuff. So I am planning for that next year. And then give me a little more time to prepare. I'll get my other bike that I've been wanting, and then I'll get the Super Cal for the Tour to ride, and get all that ready. Camp trip's coming up. We're actually leaving tonight to go out to Copper Breaks to see the other 7 planets in our solar system tonight. So we're gonna have a little fun with that. I'll record a little bit, maybe put something up with this as well. And then Joe Dirt and I are gonna go camp next week. We're actually doing a long ride. Oh crap, I gotta make a route for that now. But we are gonna go to Ray Roberts since he hasn't bike camped to there before. Next week, we're gonna leave out Thursday. And hopefully I've convinced him to just get up early on Saturday morning, ride back in, get breakfast, and get him to work. I'll be off, so I'm not worried about it. I was gonna cruise back slowly, but I guess I'll usher him to work. Other than that, we're packing things furiously. Most of the garage is now just full of boxes and stuff that are going to the new place. And then we'll ride some more. Tomorrow morning we're doing our the PBA Fast 40 Light. I'll grab some stuff from that tomorrow and have a little fun, but riding as much as I can. Amanda's here, my trainer's there as well, which I'm gonna have fun kind of moving that over, tear down the bike, put it back together on the other side. But we are ready to move. Keep in touch, like, subscribe, hit that bell, make sure you're getting new notifications that what we're doing with the channel. Kiddo's got some videos coming up as well because she's done a couple of Crunch Lab videos, and so we've got a few things on the docket to get done. But in the moving frenzy, there'll be a few far between uploads, but keep an eye out for new stuff. Thanks again for watching, and see you at the new place. Bye.